Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to replace shocks on a GMC Sierra. First, gather your essential tools, including a floor jack, sturdy jack stands, and a set of wrenches. Safety is paramount, so always ensure your truck is securely lifted and supported before you begin. This simple upgrade will noticeably enhance your vehicle's ride comfort and overall handling, making every drive smoother and more controlled. Now, let's get those old shocks out. Begin by loosening and then completely removing the upper mounting bolt that secures the shock to the frame. Next, move to the lower mounting point and carefully remove that bolt as well. Sometimes, you might need to compress the old shock slightly to free it from its mounts. Take your time and ensure all bolts are safely stored. With the old shocks out, it's time for the new ones. Start by positioning the new shock and aligning its lower mounting hole with the bracket. Insert the lower bolt and tighten it firmly, but don't fully torque it yet. Then, guide the upper part of the shock into place, aligning the top mounting hole. Insert the upper bolt and tighten it down, ensuring a snug fit. For the final steps, it's crucial to torque all mounting bolts to the manufacturer's recommended specifications. This ensures everything is secure and safe. Carefully lower your GMC Sierra off the jack stands and remove the jack. Finally, take your truck for a short test drive to confirm the new shocks are operating correctly and to enjoy your improved ride quality. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.